You need a shed that will hold its ground against the harsh Aussie weather. Our big shed designs are meticulously crafted and spec'd out to your site's location, wind speed and other environmental factors. How do you know for sure? That's where ShedSafe accreditation comes in. ShedSafe is the pinnacle of excellence in Australian steel accreditation. Initiated by the Australian Steel Institute, it sets the golden standard for shed manufacturers to ensure that the steel building designs and engineering plans are compliant with the Australian Building Code. ShedSafe accreditation goes a long way to ensure that the designs used for your big shed plans bring to fruition a top quality steel building that can stand tall and proud against the Aussie climate. When shopping around for quotations for your next big project, look for the ShedSafe seal, the symbol of compliance. Trust our experts to walk you through every step of your big shed journey. From concept to manufacturing, we see that no aspect of your big shed is overlooked. We understand that it's a big decision and we want to ensure that you get the best quality shed for the best value. Join countless Aussies who have trusted Easyshed to make their big dreams come true.